Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making blueberry cheese and almond Danish. For our ingredients, we want puff pastry dough. You can either buy puff pastry dough or you can make it yourself. Next, we have cream cheese, sugar, egg yolk, ricotta cheese, pure vanilla extract, lemon juice, grated lemon zest, salt, blueberries, almonds, and 1 egg. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You want to line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Here we're going to start making our cream cheese filling. We added our cream cheese and now we're going to add our sugar into the bowl. You want to cream together your sugar and your cream cheese on low speed until smooth. With the mixer still on, we're going to add our egg yolks. You're going to add your ricotta cheese. Now you want to add in your vanilla extract. And here we're going to add our lemon juice. And our lemon zest. And now you want to add your salt. We're going to mix everything until it is well combined. You do not want to whip. Next, you want to unfold one sheet of your puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface. You want to cut the sheet into squares using a sharp knife, or you could use a pizza cutter. So we're just cutting here to making sure our squares are even. So now I'm going to add my puff pastry dough onto my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to place a heaping tablespoon of cream cheese filling into the middle of each of the squares. Then you want to add your blueberries to the top. I do have a little tip. If you're going to use frozen, you want to keep your berries frozen before you add it to your pastries. Because you can see in my video that I let them defrost a little bit. So that's where the juices is coming from. Now we're going to add our sliced almonds to the top. We're going to add about a tablespoon of water into our egg and we're going to mix it really well. And here we're going to brush the top of our pastries with our egg wash. You want to put the pastries in the preheated oven and you want to bake for about 20 minutes. You want to rotate your pan once during baking and you want to bake your pastries until they are puffed and brown. And here the Danish straight out of the oven, we're going to let them cool just a little before we add our frosting to the top. We whisk together our milk, powdered sugar, and almond extract and we drizzle over our warm baked pastries. Allow it to cool slightly and serve warm. They were delicious. If you love blueberries, try this recipe. We have made blueberry, cheese, and almond Danish. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.